In order to generate income from YouTube, we must have reached 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. For people who have just come to this platform, these conditions are very difficult and time-consuming, and a number of people fail from reaching 100% to 1,000 subscribers in 95% of this platform because of not having good topic. But in this video, I am going to tell you 5 ideas to start YouTube so that you can earn from YouTube as quickly as possible. The first anonymous dating idea. This idea has been making a lot of noise on YouTube recently, and there is very little competition in this topic, and you can grow in this topic. You need 2 or more people to do this. It is very easy for you or a friend to do it. You sit on a chair and close each other's eyes. Note that before 2 people can see each other, you have to close their eyes. After you close each other's eyes and sit on the chair, you ask each other and tell each other. In this matter, I saw people who were able to achieve success on YouTube with only 8 videos. The second topic, entertainment. The topic of entertainment on YouTube is one of the most popular, and many YouTubers such as MrBeast, who is one of the biggest YouTubers, were able to reach the highest number of subscribers with the topic of entertainment. The third theme, Minecraft game. Minecraft game is extremely popular on YouTube, and there are many channels that were able to achieve success on YouTube with the theme of Minecraft. Before we move on to the next topic, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. You are doing us the biggest favor. The fourth topic, the idea of smear. ASMR topic is the easiest topic that anyone can handle. The idea of ASMR is that all you have to do is go in front of the camera and do something, like reading a lesson. Apply makeup or, for example, clean your car. But in this case, your income may be low compared to the other topics I mentioned, because anyone can do this. And of course, growth in this topic is difficult and takes time. The fifth idea. The last idea. The topic of nature tourism on YouTube is a good idea that if you spend your time in nature, this idea is great for you. With this idea, provided you have good video quality, you can get results on YouTube.